Kung ang hanap mo ay complete turnover townhouse and nasa loob ng isang master plan community na nandun na lahat na hindi ka nalalabas, this is Livana Townhouse dito sa Paseo de Lipa. Tara, pasukin natin. Yung minimum lot area ng Livana model is 60 square meters and then for the floor area is 62 square meters. So ito yung ating frontage or pwede mo siyang i-utilize as your carport. So this is provision for one car and yung frontage nito is 5 meters. Yung ginamit sa door natin is solid wood. And dito sa area na to, ito yung magsaserve mo as your living or receiving area. Ito naman yung iyong dining area. And dito, ito yung pwede mong serve as your kitchen area. So included sa package yung ating granite countertop and stainless cabinets. For this area, this is your service area. And ang maganda dito is included sa package yung ating mga water tanks. So, dalawa yung ating water tanks na yung capacity ng kada isang tanks is 500 liters of water na nakaabang for fresh water and rainwater. Ito naman yung ating ground floor toilet and bath. So, complete set of fixtures naman yung ginamit. Welcome naman sa ating second floor. So, dito sa second floor, meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. And this is our bedroom number 1. Yan. So, yung bedroom number 1 natin is spacious enough naman and kita nyo naman nakaabang or nakalagay dito is single size bed pero malaki pa yung space dito. Ito yung ating bedroom number 2. Nakaabang ito for window type aircon. And this is our master's bedroom. And nga pala guys, yung mga ginamit na partitions dito is drywood. And para sa last part ng ating video is ito yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. So, complete set of fixtures pa rin and medyo mas malaki yung size nito kaysa dun sa ating ground floor toilet and bath. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo si Livana Townhouse, ilalagay namin sa description box yung full details, yung full YouTube house tour at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!